guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. And I have this story to read, and I'm not gonna waste any time on my intro. I'm so embarrassed and hurt for even you to see who I am. As I type this with tears in my eyes, I just want to tell all females to be careful. This guy and I have been together for years. Never had serious problems till in April. I noticed he had this smell, so I told him that okay, you need to go to the doctor because you didn't get that from me. He got upset and said he'll get it checked out. The odor from him started to smell on me when I pee, everything. Then one day I took up his phone to go through it and I noticed he had changed the password. And that's red flag, red flag, red flag, red flag. From you smell the odor, you should have gone and got yourself checked. And also, once someone changed their profile or their password from something you know to something you don't know, that's a red flag. 99.99% of the time they're probably hiding something that they don't want you to see. Anyways, let's get into the rest of the story. It says, so I questioned him about it and I asked, why is your password changed? And he went ahead and said nothing. So I told him angrily, open the phone. He opened the phone. He did not delete the messages, and when he saw that I was surprised, he grabbed the phone from me. I looked in the phone. He was texting a doctor, but I did not get to see the full conversation as he grabbed the phone from me. He had gonorrhea, and that's not the best part. I noticed he had this guy friend, which is unusual of a straight Jamaican man. That was before I found out about the gonorrhea. He said the guy was like a brother to him. I said okay, I did not want to be disrespectful towards his friendship with the guy. Back to when I found out he had gonorrhea, the same night I told him I'm leaving him, but in the night I don't know what spirit told me to use his fingerprint when he's sleeping to go into his phone. I did that, and when I went into the phone I found out that he had had sex with the guy, and when I went to the doctor conversation I found out he was HIV positive. I don't see why this really had to happen to me. I did nothing wrong. The night I found out he had gonorrhea was the last night I slept there to get my things out the next day. I don't understand how two people can be so cruel to one person that did nothing. I really did nothing. I was so afraid to hear the doctor say I'm HIV positive, so I never went because I just knew I was, because as a couple of years we were having sex raw. I went to the doctor 2 weeks ago and it was confirmed. I'm currently having thoughts of suicide because this hit me hard. Most likely you're not gonna see this. If you do post it, people aren't going to read it because I couldn't sum up my emotions and what happened in a simple paragraph, but I just wanted to send this in to tell females to be careful, even if the person they have been with for years. And honestly, I was so disappointed and disgusted and distraught about this one female. A lot of times Jamaican men are very much so homosexuals in the closet. They have a whole beard, and if you guys don't know what a beard is, they have a whole girlfriend, wife, kids, children, and all of that, and they're in the closet as gay men, and they have sex with men unprotected, and they put women's life in danger like this. So it's very sad to see. And honestly, in Jamaica the law needs to change. If you knowingly give someone HIV, spread it, knowingly that you have it, you need to go to jail for life. You just ruined somebody's whole life. your whole life need to be ruined. And honestly, I hope she don't kill herself. I hope she don't do anything bad to herself, because a lot of people survive AIDS. A lot of people live long lives with AIDS, and AIDS, I know it's going to be challenging, but to all the women out there, be very, very careful. And like she said, even if it's been years you've been with that person, please make sure you get tested. Make sure you know your status. Make sure you get whoever you're with checked. And I wholeheartedly believe in monogamy. Okay? You need to be monogamous. And if you are not, protect yourself. That's the only way. Prevention is better than cure. And with that, I'm going to wrap this up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Give her some encouraging words in the comment section. And tell me, what would you do if you found out that your significant other that you were with for years gave you a STD or HIV or something that's incurable or uncurable. And I'll see you in the next one.